what I miss most? I miss eye contact. I miss people looking up when you talk to them, like they actually heard what you had to say, not just waiting for the turn to speak or checking their damn phones while you're standing right in front of them. It used to be you could nod at a stranger and expect to get a nod back. Now you do that and they look at you like you're trying to sell them something. And I'm not talking about some deep philosophical stuff here either. I'm talking about just saying hello or holding the door for somebody or making small talk at the gas pump. Real basic human glue that used to hold the day together. Nowadays, it's like everybody's in their own little bubble, scrolling through some fake version of life while the real one's standing 5 feet away, trying to get noticed. And I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm old. Maybe I'm out of step. Maybe I'm the weird one for still wanting human connection. But I swear, we've never had more ways to talk and we've never been more silent. You ever stop to notice that people don't really look up anymore either? I mean, you could set yourself on fire in the middle of a grocery aisle and the guy next to you, he wouldn't even blink. He's too damn busy arguing with a screen that won't load his damn digital coupon. And I mean, I get it. Life went and got busy. But damn, a little human compassion would be nice. Because back in the day, we used to wave at our neighbors, And now we peek through the blinds like they're some kind of intruders. We used to meet and talk over fences, and now we text people in the same damn house with us. How sad is that? Hell, I've even seen couples at restaurants, and both of them so busy into their own little phones that not a single word ever got exchanged between bites. And you know what that tells me? We're starving for real connection, but we forgot how to eat. It used to be you sit on a porch with somebody and you could say nothing for an hour. And somehow that little interaction meant the world. But nowadays, if a conversation doesn't come with emojis and a typing indicator, people think you're mad at them. And don't even get me started on family. We used to have Sunday dinners. Now you're lucky if you get a text back from somebody before Wednesday. I don't know. Everybody's too busy hustling or too busy trying to become a brand. You ever try calling somebody just to talk on the phone anymore? They answer like you crashed a car. Everything okay? What are you calling for? Yeah, everything's okay. I'm calling because I miss when we used to actually talk. I don't know, man. Feels like we went and traded real connection for convenience. And somewhere along the line, we forgot how to just be human. And I swear, I'm not trying to preach here. I'm guilty. I'm part of it too. But man, some nights I sit alone in the quiet and I think to myself, we've got more ways to connect than ever. And somehow we're lonelier than we've ever been. Does that make any sense to you? Because I don't know. I'm still trying to wrap my head around it and make it all make sense. I don't know. I'm just an old man in a new world, trying to get used to how things are and forget about how they used to be. I wish we could go back some kind of way, but I don't know, man. I don't think time goes backwards. But I do miss the time when we had real connections and real conversations. Those, I guess, were the days, the good old days. At any rate, take care of yourself and each other. I'm Unc. I'll see you guys in the next one.